Welcome to the Lancelin off-road vehicle area. This video will give you a quick understanding of how things work around here. The Lancelin off-road vehicle area is patrolled by the Shire of Gingin Rangers. However, in the case of an emergency, call 000. The area is used by four-wheel drive cars, quad bikes, motorbikes, buggies, sandboarders, pedestrians and earth-moving equipment. Any vehicles within the off-road vehicle area must be either road registered or off-road registered with the Department of Transport. For more information registering your vehicle, the Department of Transport's link will be in the video description. Drivers and passengers must be wearing a seatbelt where fitted. This means no standing in the back or on the sides of vehicles. Helmets must be worn on vehicles without seatbelts or rollover protection. Please be aware of the vehicle prohibited areas in the off-road vehicle area. Read and abide all signage. Vehicle users must be 8 years or over, and children under the age of 16 must be supervised by an adult at all times. Please be aware that the ever-shifting dunes can be very dangerous if you aren't aware what is on the other side. Drop-offs, undercuts and crevices can form. There is also a lot of exposed rock with the dunes. Sand flags are encouraged. And finally, some general rules. No littering, no intoxicated persons, and vehicles to be gone by 7 p.m. The Shire of Gingin Rangers would like to thank Perth Quad Hire for helping us with the production of this video.